We're a hybrid online agency. I think that's a current term people use for our type of business. We have a portfolio of flats in London which we manage and let. And because we have a mainly online presence, the quality of what we present online is very critical. The majority of our clients are overseas property owners, and we actually mainly buy and acquire the flats for them, and then we manage the flats for them as well afterwards. So that's our main sort of portfolio of flats. We've always used YouTube, and we know we've been using that for 4 or 5 years now, and we've always had a high number of viewings, so we know visualization works very well, video works very well. But this is going another step beyond that they can actually get the feel of the walkthrough themselves through the flat and direct which way they want to walk around and see the apartment. So I think it certainly reduces the need to physically view the flat as well. I would say it reduces the number of wasted visits. Probably previously you might go from 3 down to 1, so 1 in 3 reduction, so you might reduce by maybe 2 visits, something like that, for every 3 you would have to have done in the past. I think the standards and the expectation of the consumers or the actual tenants is already there. Whether they're saying it or not, I think it's a different thing, but I think if the fact that you've got it allows them to reach their decision quicker, then it's definitely a tool you would want to use. Well, for us, I think, like when we talked originally, I think it combines a number of key benefits for us in terms of the simplicity of use. Previous 360s we've been using, you have to connect to Bluetooth to your phone, and then you have to use the software, and it can be complicated for someone who's just showing the flat, whereas with the Giraffe you just press the button, so the level of technical expertise required is very low, so that's great. And then obviously it reduces the need to send as many people to the property to collect the information, so you can do the photography and the floor plan at the same time. Well, yeah, for us we streamline straight to the web page. And then we send that out obviously to people when they inquire, so they can see the flat as well. So we don't use, I mean, we also show the owner once we've done it, obviously, because they're overseas, so that helps a lot, that they can see we've prepared the flat properly for rental as well. I think it was, I mean, we were using a 360 before, but it didn't have the floor plan aspect and the photography aspect. So for us, it was a no-brainer in terms of, okay, we can combine that with photography and floor plan. So it makes it more streamlined in terms of our information gathering process and time. And then obviously uploading that information is still the same. But the output onto the website is still the same process. It's the right links in. But so really the time saving for us was on the collection point rather than the output point.
So from 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the Giraffe 360 tech so far?
Definitely a 9 out of 10. So
Thank you.